Hi, in this tutorial I will going to show you how to use execute package task. Uh, this transformation in SSIS very useful to call for me all the other packages, and it's useful for me as well if I want to call all the packages and create for them a job. So I will going to call all those packages using one package, and I'm going to create a job for only single package instead of uh, all the packages individually. So here, let me just rename this package and call it master package. Since this package will call all the other packages, and this is the execute package task. Um, you can either or like drop multiple ones pair on the your need. If you want to call only two, so you will drag and drop only two transformations, execute package task. Or if you want all, so you have to drag and drop and matching the numbers between execute package task and your packages or your needs. And simply you can like connect them. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a sequence container. So let's call it S mm, all, and I will call only two packages, which is I'm going to call the first package called duplicate records, and the other one is lookup and LED. It's very important to name them as the package name, because in case like if you have an error, so you know what's the error is belong to. So just name it as the same packages. And how to configure it, simply double click on the execute package task, and just this is the name. Tell the description if you want to add. This is what you want to go to the package, and here where you have simply select your package and press OK. Same thing for the lookup. Right here, go to lookup, press OK. Now everything I have good. Make sure that your packages that you're going to call them not have any data viewer, like if you're not enabling data viewer, or not like uh, showing a message or something, because this is will delay, or this is will makes you manually to perform your packages, which is not going to be run automatically. Uh, so here I will going to run this container, and it will call the other two packages automatically, which is I didn't touch them yet. So it will go to the first package and then the second one, and will run them. See, this one, it's being completed successfully, and the other one is same. If I back to the master one, it's being completed successfully. And as I mentioned earlier on this video, you can, if you have a project and you want to call certain name of the packages, simply you can create a master package and create for them, execute a package task on each, and you can schedule only the master package, and you can end it with sending email in case of the failure or in case of the success. so you will be notified in case of any package failure. So this is how we are using execute package task, and I hope you guys enjoyed watch my video, and see you for next videos. Thank you.